Say you want to develop an AI web app. Users can log in, and your app lets them chat with a large language model or LLM. We kind of know the limitations of this setup. LLMs are creative geniuses, but they only know what they've been trained on. In other words, they don't automatically have your private or up to date information. So, if you need your app to answer questions related to your users' GitHub issues, you're out of luck. To fix that, developers created tools, functions, or APIs the model or app can call to fetch live data from external systems or perform actions. Some of these actions are simple reads to get context or data. Others can change things in the world, like book a flight ticket or update a record in the database. Those actions are referred to have what are known as side effects. Let's go back to adding that feature where you need your app to answer questions related to your user's GitHub repo or even close out some issues in their repo. You'd have to write functions or tools that talk to GitHub APIs to perform those tasks. But hold on a sec. There are tons of systems like GitHub out there that AI app developers would need to write integrations for. Without a common standard, every integration ends up being built from scratch. What if, in this case, someone, perhaps GitHub, wrote a shared interface that makes integrations consistent and efficient? That would let developers stop reinventing connectors and focus on building features instead. That's where an MCP server can save the day. You can expose capabilities such as resources, tools, and prompts in a standardized way. Resources are read-only contexts like files, schemas, or datasets. Tools, as mentioned before, can perform actions that may have side effects, often needing user approval. Prompts are reusable templates that guide how the model asks or formats its responses. So, how would your app know the MCP server's capabilities? Your app would create an MCP client, which can connect to one or more MCP servers and ask them, "What can you do?" Each server can then respond, "Here's what I can do," and the client can request those capabilities on demand. Under the hood, this communication uses a standard protocol, JSON RPC. So any app and any server can interoperate safely and consistently. That's the Model Context Protocol, the connective tissue between AI models and the real world.